Introduction. Host. Welcome to our finance series. In today's video, we will explore investment strategies for beginners and guide you on how to build a solid investment portfolio. Investing is a powerful tool for growing your wealth over time, but it's important to approach it with the right knowledge and strategies. Let's dive in. Segment 1. Setting investment goals. Host. Before diving into investments, it's crucial to set clear investment goals. Are you investing for retirement, buying a home, or funding your child's education? Define your objectives, time horizon, and risk tolerance. This will shape your investment strategy and asset allocation. Segment 2. Understanding risk and diversification. Host. Risk is inherent in investing, but it can be managed. Diversification is key. Spread your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. This reduces the risk of significant losses. Remember, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Segment 3. Research and education. Host. Knowledge is power in the world of investing. Educate yourself about different investment options and strategies. Read books, attend seminars, and follow reputable financial websites. Stay informed about market trends and economic indicators to make informed investment decisions. Segment 4. Start with index funds or ETFs. Host. For beginners, a great starting point is investing in index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs. These funds offer diversification by tracking a specific market index. They are cost-effective, have lower risks, and require minimal effort to manage. Consider funds that align with your investment goals. Segment 5. Consider individual stocks. Host. As you gain confidence and knowledge, consider investing in individual stocks. Research companies, analyze their financials, and evaluate their growth prospects. Invest in industries you understand and companies with a solid track record. Diversify your stock portfolio to mitigate risk. Segment 6. Long-term investing and compounding. Host. Patience is crucial in investing. The power of compounding can significantly grow your investments over time. By reinvesting dividends and allowing your investments to grow, you can benefit from the exponential growth potential of compounding. Segment 7. Regular portfolio review. Host. Regularly review your investment portfolio. Assess its performance, rebalance if necessary, and make adjustments based on changing market conditions or your financial goals. Don't let emotions dictate your investment decisions. Instead, focus on the long-term strategy. Segment 8. Seek professional advice. Host. If you feel overwhelmed or uncertain, don't hesitate to seek professional advice. Financial advisors can help you develop a personalized investment strategy based on your unique circumstances. Ensure they are qualified, reputable, and align with your investment philosophy. Conclusion. Host. Congratulations! You now have a better understanding of investment strategies for beginners and how to build a solid investment portfolio. Remember, investing is a journey that requires patience, research, and disciplined decision-making. Start with clear goals, diversify your investments, and stay informed. As always, stay tuned for more finance-related content in our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Outro. Host. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable finance tips. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and we'll be happy to assist you. Happy investing and see you in the next video.